What's up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. Today's video is going to be a giveaway. That's right, we're giving something away to you guys. And you'll have to watch the video to find out what it is. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now. You have to watch it. And you have to watch the end of the video to figure out how to win this prize. So I hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, night, whatever it may be in your neck of the woods. If you don't know who I am, if you're new to the channel, my name's Bill. This is Honest Open Permaculture. We go by Hop Farm, and we are a small homestead in North Carolina that is just looking to be as self-sufficient as we possibly can. So if you enjoy something like that, if that's something that interests you, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell notification so you know every time we put a video out, and enjoy this clip. Oh yeah, it's from Homesteaders of America. Someone gave me something there to give to you guys. Check this out.
How do I know you?
Maybe you've seen a video of mine on YouTube?
Maybe I have, and I would love to do a video.
Yes, absolutely.
You know how the chart works already? Or?
I've heard you explain it before, but it's been a while.
So what you do is, it's for vegetable gardeners, so it's called Clyde's Garden Planner, and you slide the red frost line to your local frost date. And once it's in place, each column is a week, and it gives you the first outdoor planting date for each garden vegetable, starting with the cold crops that are planted ahead of the frost, and ending with the tender crops like peppers and tomatoes that have to plant after the danger of frost. So then the green check marks are the expected harvest dates, and the indoor seeding dates are marked, so you know when to put your flats out if you're going to grow some seedlings. And it's nice to be able to see the whole growing season at a glance.
Yes.
Pull it open and it gives you the quantity of seed, planting depth, the distance between rows, the distance between plants so you don't get it too congested, the sunlight requirements, the minimum soil temperature, the expected yield, like pounds of green beans per 10-foot width, so you know how many rows to plant, and the natural companions for companion planting where the roots nourish one another.
And companions.
These are the companions of the, this is the spring side of the chart. Flip it over.
Oh, and there's another side.
Slide it to your full frost date. Last planting week to have a nice fall garden. I'm going to take 3 of, by the way. I have good fall gardens, and I highly recommend it. Like we're making salsa, and I'm slicing up okra and zucchini and yellow squash to put giblets in the salsa.
So I'm in Southern Ohio, so I'm very close to it.
Each chart comes along with instructions and frost dates for the
the same level, same
and the frost dates.
And they're $5 online.
Okay.
And,
So where can people go if they find it? Where can we go?
If you type in Clyde's Garden Planner, you get there. Or you can type in Clyde's Vegetable Planting Chart.com.
Okay.
Both ways get you.
So I'm going to be showing this off soon, guys. If you guys want one, go to his website, order 6 of them.
I hope it's useful to your garden.
Anyway,
Yes,
so yes,
I would like to get 3 of them for you.
Yes.
I'm going to give you 5 more to give you. How's that for a deal?
Yeah, that's awesome.
You're awesome, Clyde. I appreciate it. And I'm sure some lucky followers will appreciate it as well. Did you hear that? He's giving me 5 to give away to you. So how cool is that? Clyde gave me 5 of those Clyde garden planners to give away to you guys. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm giving them away. I'll cover the shipping. You guys won't need to pay me for shipping. It is 100% free for you. What I need you to do, it's very complicated now, very complicated, is, you know, down below, there's like a place where you can type stuff. All I need you to do is type plant something. That's it. Plant something. That's what this garden planner is for, is to plant stuff with. So just go down in that go down in the comments area and type plant something. That's it. I'm going to choose 5 people at random. Probably do like depending on how many there is, if we get hundreds of people putting their names in the hat, I'm not going to do the old pull the name out of the hat trick. But if we have, 10, 20 people, I'm going to put numbers in a hat, pull out the number, go down. If I pull out number 5 and John Smith's on number 5, guess what, John Smith? You just won yourself a Clyde's garden planter. And then I'm going to reply to you in the comment section. So I'm going to need somewhere to send this. So we'll talk back and forth. We'll probably through emails, or if you do like Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger or something like that, we can talk through there and figure out how I can get you this awesome gift. Okay, so don't forget. It's really hard, I know. Go down in the comments and type plant something. All right, y'all. Good luck. I hope you win. And remember, smash that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Share this with a friend. Later, y'all.